So I'm working on the Azores video. It's got some good content to it. I don't have any story at all, but I have some sick shots from the various things I did that day. Putting it together now, there might be interjections. We're gonna be checking out Furnas and all the things around there. So I'm realizing that there's a lot of things I'm missing, so I don't mention anything else that I did while I was there. First, did Furnas for breakfast, which was great. It's a cool, quaint little town. And then went to go see the Fumarolas, which is a park. It smells like sulfur, which is stinky. Then I went for a hike to Faial de Terra, and that's where I saw Salto de Prego and Cagarro, which were great parks. Definitely recommend it. It's super steep though, 2,000 feet up for 2.5 miles. So the Azores are like a giant racetrack. You should smell the brakes on the car. There was hairpin turns. There was one that almost looked like a key. Like if you're going around the edge of a key, like so sharp. Plus, I don't think I've seen police anywhere. Found some of my hiking partners. We are at the waterfall. It's about 2.4 miles. It's almost all uphill. I was just checking my watch. Does this look like a precarious place for my camera to be sitting? Got to hike Salto de Prego and Salto de Cagarro. It's just getting sunny now. It's been cloudy the whole day, which is perfect. Scenic, great photos. This town is kind of cool. I'm gonna grab some lunch because I forgot a snack. This is where I need to do some explaining because the story just falls flat, it dies. I go back to my Airbnb, fall asleep because I was sick. I wake up a little bit before sunset and I was dying to get the Islet of Vila Franca to Campo. So I finally drive down there, race down because the sun is close to setting and I want to get the golden hour. I park, run over, get the drone ready and start flying it up.